Hey everybody!
Hello!
So today will be a home vlog. We are getting a new large appliance today.
A new AC!
Yes. It is time. Our original AC, which is 20 plus years old now, finally we got all the juice out of her we could. So Brett from RVE is coming this morning to replace our AC.
Yeah, it's been about 3 months we haven't had like the cold part of our AC working. It went out in like November, but since it was winter here in East Tennessee, we didn't need the cooling part of our AC, so we got away with a few months of not having it. But now it's February, it's already starting to get hot. We already had a couple days in the 80s, high 70s, so we're like, okay, it's time. It's time. So yeah, not so fun part about owning your own home.
Yeah,
but you gotta do what you gotta do.
Exactly.
We need AC.
Yeah, mostly for the dogs.
Well, I need it. Alright guys, come hang out with us today.
We are Kim and Aaron, and this is Zach and Cody. We are best friends living and traveling full-time in our renovated RV, Lucy. We have been on the road since October 2020, so please subscribe to join in on all the fun.
RVTV, K&E RVTV, sing it with us. RVTV. Are you the cutest puppy in the whole world? Are you ready for a new AC? Yeah. You ready to live that sweet life again?
The sweet life of Zach and Cody.
Are you ready over there?
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, joys of owning a home.
Yep.
New AC wasn't cheap, wasn't fun on our bank account, that is for sure.
We're like double broke now.
We're double. But yeah, at least we'll be cool in here again.
Yeah.
But I'm surprised that AC lasted as long as it did.
Honestly,
it's
like,
the original AC, as far as I know.
From a 9, she's a Coachmen Leprechaun, classy 99.
Yep.
That's what we live in.
So we're in 2000.
Those of you new to the channel or just didn't realize or know, classy
1999. She's an oldie.
And the AC lasted until like 3 months ago. So
yeah,
that's
so it's almost 25 years.
Yeah.
But since we got here in 2020, we've used it non-stop.
Non-stop. Especially when we started off in Florida, we had it on 24/7.
Yeah.
Often on high as well.
Yeah.
So she had a good long life.
She did well for us for these past few years. I'm actually shocked at how long she did last.
And she worked so well too. Like when Florida, it would be hot, you know, humidity and everything, and she would crank.
And she worked well, and literally until she died too. Yeah. It was like she worked fine, and then she was dead all of a sudden.
I love that we call her she.
She. Everything's a she does.
Because the RV is Lucy. So.
Yeah, but
as we named our RV, Lucy.
Yeah, because RVs are not meant to be lived in full time.
Yes.
So.
But also because she is a 99. That's back when things were made, like, right. So, you know, there was quality and time and effort.
Lucy is built tough.
Yeah, it's the older RVs and the newer ones these days aren't made so great. So.
How's your coffee?
Delicious.
How's your mug?
Super cute.
Yeah. We're cute. Alright, we're just waiting for Brett to get here.
This is actually your coffee.
You're drinking mine? Rude.
Quality control. Oh, it's delicious. Oh, we should show you the creamer we got.
What kind?
It's so good. For those of you who
our coffee creamer drinkers.
It's Friends.
Friends, but it's hazelnut mocha.
And it is delicious. It really tastes like it makes your coffee taste more like you just got it from like Dunkin' Donuts or a coffee house. It's really good.
So yes, we have been MIA for a little while. So thank you all for your get well wishes. We greatly appreciate it.
Thanks for sticking around.
We're still trying to get better. We still have the sniffles. Erin is still
she brought me
pretty bad.
Cooties, and then I got it much worse than she did. It's still lingering. I'm still a little groggy, still stuffy, but overall I'm functionable. Is that a word? Functionable.
Yeah, I went camping for Valentine's Day, tent camping outside, and we were in Georgia, and it got the first night it got down to like 37 degrees. The second night it got down to like 44 degrees, so we were sleeping outside in the cold, which didn't help. Came back sick.
Plus to all the traveling, you know, the road trip itself was,
yeah, it was like a 6 hour, it was a 6 hour drive for me each way. But yeah, just the stress and everything. Came back sick. I was sick for like 3 days, and then the day I started to feel better,
I started to feel bad.
She felt
and I was
bad.
praying I wasn't gonna get it. I was like, hopefully it's
And
not.
now she's had it bad for about a week now, and
Yeah.
it's been rough.
Yeah.
Being sick is not fun. I know
It's
there's a lot of
not.
sicknesses going around out there, so hope you all are doing well.
A lot of you have comments on the last video we just put out that quite a few of you were sick too in the past few weeks. So there's definitely been something going around. Not COVID, but something else not fun, because I've spent some time in the restroom as well.
Gross.
TMI, but yeah.
So Brett is here. He has started all of his work. We got the cover taken off. He just took like all the big screws out. One thing he was worried about is this piece is really old. So he's hoping
That the new AC
that's not an issue. We can see the roof. I mean, we can see the sky. But yeah. This whole cover piece we got taken off is nasty and disgusting.
Yep,
He
it's
says
probably never been taken off.
yeah, right? So Aaron's in the middle of cleaning that.
Trying anyway.
Trying to clean that now, because he says that's the cover's still going to be the same piece. It doesn't come with a new one, which I was hoping that it would, but whatever.
Yeah.
We're doing it.
We're doing it.
All right, they're trying to get our AC up onto the roof, but it is very heavy. Look at Zachary in the window. You can do it. Wow. I feel like I should be helping.
Get anything on it right now. Oh, it's here. Okay.
Yay! Good job. Watch the antennas right behind you.
Yep.
Now the hard part is getting the old AC down. Especially because she's old and brittle.
Yeah.
Been rotting in the sun for 24 years.
Stay on your side, I'll move this one over.
Yeah.
I'm good. I'm good.
Do we have AC?
We have AC.
Do we have AC? We have AC! Yay!
It's amazing.
Aaron cleaned this whole panel. Show me the other side now. It was disgusting.
More better.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I don't think it's ever been taken off.
Taken off ever. Yay. Oh, I can feel it already. It's freezing in here.
It's already freezing and it's on low. It's not even on high yet.
Put it on high, see what it does.
Okay, not too much louder.
Not too much louder. Do you think it's... Oh, yeah. So the AC vents, if you open this, it'll come out of here. But we also have like the roof vents. So when
This is more for when like you're cooking in the kitchen.
it comes down right there.
Keeps like, you know, the kitchen area cooled off.
It'll still come out of here too, but when that's closed, it comes out of here even harder. All the roof vents, even harder. But yeah. Yay! Not yay for our bank account.
During summer.
Right?
Yeah.
Wow. At least we got all that cleaned up and everything
Yes.
too, because that was nasty. And we didn't even know that was all underneath there.
And it's funny how did people back in the day live without air conditioners?
I don't know.
I don't understand it.
We're spoiled people.
So spoiled.
Yeah.
I feel like that's the best invention ever. Besides like sliced bread,
Or
conditioning.
the wheel.
Or electricity.
Or electricity. Here is a look at Brett's card. If you guys are in the East Tennessee area and need any RV work done, he's amazing.
He's the guy to call.
Okay, what's for breakfast?
A nap.
A nap?
Yeah, we had to wake up earlier than we normally would. The dogs are like, why are we awake? What's happening?
But it didn't take him too long to put in the AC.
Yeah, it was like less than an hour.
Yeah.
Impressive.
Oh yeah, you just gotta take it out and put the new one in, and he said there's not much to it.
The hardest part is getting the unit on
The roof?
the roof and getting the old unit off the roof.
He says sometimes I just want to throw the old ones off, but then they break and then you gotta pick up all the pieces. I did have to help him a little bit getting it down, because it was hard work.
Because you're so strong.
Yeah. Alright, since Aaron doesn't want to make us breakfast, we gotta go out to eat now.
Yeah. We'll film something for you guys. And we're gonna do a little Uber and DoorDash tonight. So we're happy we got the AC fixed. We're ready for summer. Brett did a great job as always. We're so thankful. And yeah.
Why would you say we're ready for summer?
Oh, I guess we're not ready for summer, but now we're prepared for summer.
I do not want winter to end.
I know.
Not ready for the heat.
And we thought Punxsutawney saw his shadow, so we thought we were getting a few more weeks of winter. That is not the case because
it's getting warm already.
It's spring is popping. We're starting to see all the foliage everywhere.
But yet it's snowing in like Los Angeles.
Yeah. It's crazy. I don't know what's happening in this world right now. Just hold your loved ones close.
The world's gone crazy.
Yeah, hold your loved ones close and, you know, live your life to the fullest like we try to do. But I hope you enjoyed this video. You know, just a little update for our RV. So thanks for hanging out with us. If you did enjoy the video, hit your like button. Again, if you need any help with your RV in the East Tennessee area, definitely give Brett a call. And we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, y'all.